Hi there, it's Nick from VisitorQ, and in this video, we'll be discussing how you can use our software for website personalization in order to increase website conversions. Once you've created your VisitorQ account, you can create personalized versions of your website to show to your different target audiences. These different audiences can be based on industry, company size, location, and more. An example of a personalization you may want to create is if you're, let's as an example say, industry agnostic. You can now show different content, case studies, use cases, and testimonials to a visitor in the construction industry versus a visitor in the retail industry. Another example is if you deal with companies of all sizes, you can personalize all of your content based on the number of employees a company has. So, your website can now be tailored to startups, SMB, SME, and enterprise without custom coding anything on your end. These are only a few of the ways that personalization can be used for your website. Get started on a 14-day free trial to learn all of them today.